Welcome back to Byw'n Iach Plas Silyn. We've got new signage in place. Remember to wear your mask. Let's go into reception. Once you come into reception, swipe your card and go into the session. Remember to sanitise your hands when you come into the centre. When you come into the fitness room, there's a one-way system in place. Make sure that you clean the fitness equipment after use. Get active safely. After you finish your session in the fitness room, follow the arrows through the main entrance. All the fitness classes are held in the main hall. After you finish your session, leave this way. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you here.